Hey, Rhoda, what should we make for dinner today?
Let's make an oven-baked spaghetti.
Okay, I could get down with that. Tell me more.
So we're going to do uncooked spaghetti, marinara, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning or oregano.
Oh, yes, that's a great idea. And then cover it with water so that way it can obviously cook.
Yes, but we have to mix it really well to make sure that the spaghetti noodles don't stick together.
Yes, and then cover it and then bake it.
Yeah, and then halfway through we'll mix it just to make sure it doesn't stick.
Okay, I like that idea. And then after that, we got to add a topping. We can't just leave it like this.
Mozzarella cheese, hello.
Yes, okay. I'm so for this. And then rebake it. So then what happens?
So we'll get nice and like bubbly and it'll be
Yes, I like that idea. Okay, let's twirl this spaghetti.
And get this. Oh my God.
Yes.
Talk about easy, delicious, and so damn good.
Yes.